In this video, we're giving an honest review of the new United Quest card to help you decide if it's the right United Airlines credit card for you. The card comes with a $350 annual fee, which is high, but it offers several benefits that can make it worthwhile for frequent United flyers. You earn 3 times miles on United purchases, 2 times on dining, travel, and select streaming, and 1 times on all other spending. Key perks include $200 United Travel Bank credit annually, free first and second checked bags for you and a companion, priority boarding, and a 10,000-mile award flight discount each year. The card also helps with elite status, offering up to 18,000 premier qualifying points through spending and a 1,000-point annual boost starting in 2026. Additional benefits include a global entry or TSA pre-check credit, rental car insurance, and travel protections. However, it's not perfect. The annual fee is significant, there's no lounge access, and some perks only make sense if you fly United regularly. Some users have reported issues receiving their travel bank credit on time, which can be frustrating. Overall, the United Quest card is excellent for loyal United travelers who want to earn miles, enjoy checked bag perks, and work toward elite status, but it may not be ideal if your United flights are infrequent or you don't use all the benefits. For more honest and practical travel credit card reviews, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.